Hey guys, this is lesson 30 and let's go ahead and get started. So, we have some angle measures. We gotta estimate some angle measures, okay? So let's look at number 1 together. So we gotta estimate the angle measure of this, okay? And, well, we know that that's 90 degrees. And so that is close to being 90 degrees, but not at 90 degrees, right? So it's a little less than 90 degrees. So we could go ahead and estimate that must be somewhere around 87 degrees. Okay? So it could be 86 or 85, but I'm going to just put 87. Okay? So go ahead and estimate the angle measures for number 2. Oh, actually, that must be 2. For number 2 and 3. And let's move on to our second page. So volume, we're asked to find the volume of each rectangular prism. And from last week, we remember that the formula of volume is length times width times height, right? And again, this week we are given the measurements of each. And so for length, it's 9 centimeters, 14 centimeters, and then 12 centimeters for height. Okay? And so 9 times here. We multiply those 3 measurements together. 14 times 12, 8, 1. Okay? And then we've got to multiply 9. 61. And then that is 15. So our final answer is 1512. Don't forget about the units, which is centimeter cubed. Okay? Centimeter squared would be for areas, right? So since we found the volume, you gotta put cubed. Okay? So again, use the formula to solve number 2 and 3. And then let's move on to our third page. So again, this is review from last week, right? So we are again writing an integer to represent each situation mentioned below. And so number 1, Emily's vegetable patch yielded 26 tomatoes in all. Okay, so again, that's the key word. And yielded basically means it produced. Okay, so that's what it must be plus, right? Producing is like adding, and so it added 26 tomatoes to the vegetable patch. So it's 20 plus 26 is our answer. Okay, so and that's the vegetable patch plus 26. Okay. How about number 2? Thomas distributed. Okay, so that's our keyword. 19 cupcakes to his friends on Thanksgiving Day. Okay, so that's kind of excessive information there, right? The thing like he distributed on Thanksgiving Day. So what we got to focus on is on the keyword, which is distributed, right? And that means he gave, right? He shared 19 cupcakes. So that must be minus 19, right? From what? From his, so cupcakes. So from his total cupcakes distributed, 19 cupcakes. So that's minus 19. Okay. So again, try number 3, 4, and 5 on your own. And let's move on to our last page. So we're looking at some word problems. And we're looking at number 1. So the closing share price today for Hans Technology Incorporation was $6. Okay. If the company has 713,000 shares of its stock outstanding, what value is the market giving the company? Okay, so for the closing share price today, it has it is $6, right? And so we want to know how what the value is if the company has 713,000 shares of its stock. So really all we got to do is, well, to find out the value, we got to multiply, right? And so we're multiplying 713,000 by $6. Okay? And actually we could just do 713 times 6, which is 742. And we just add 3 zeros in the back. Okay? So our answer is 7800000, 3 zeros. Okay? So let's try number 2 together. So Nature Widget has 54,000 shares outstanding. And if today's closing price was $7 per share, right? What's the company's market capitalization? So it's $7 per share. And how many do we have? We have 54,000. And so to find out the company's market capitalization, again, what we're doing is multiplying. So we're multiplying 54,000 by 7. And again, we could just do 54 times 7, which is 378, and we just add the 3 zeros in the back. Okay? So that's it. That's our answer. Okay? So try number 3 and 4. Just finish the worksheet, and here are your answers.